Yo, what's up guys? This is the Whadafunk Stories vlog, and on this episode we got some really exciting news to tell you guys. Right now we're working on packing the order for dollskill. So we got some brand new Whadafunk going into dollskill right now, and by the time you see this video it might already be in there, maybe not. So we got a bunch of new styles that we're coming out with that are only available there, so we're really excited about that, and I'm going to show you guys what's going on and what we're working on right now. Get ready for some brand new Whadafunk designs. I'm really excited about these designs. Can't wait to show you guys. Alright guys, so this is the first step of the process. We fold them nice and neatly. These are the Love t-shirts right here. As you see, I'm wearing some gloves because they're white and I don't want to get the oils from my fingers on the shirts. Try and keep them as white and perfect as possible, so when you get them, you are extremely happy with them. First step is to fold them up nice. We got a little method how we fold them. And then after that, we hang tag them, bag them, and then package them in the boxes.
For Lil Wayne.
Yeah. It's like 6 years ago. I used to do security for a bunch of different people. Celine Dion.
Easy.
All the basketball players. I got all their autographs. Alright, so now we got A&T Won't Stop sizing out a box to fit these perfectly inside so they don't move around that much. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now, working on these boxes, setting them up to be perfectly sized to fit these products. That way we could ship them out to dollskill. And by the time you see this video, these shirts will be in dollskill, and you could go get them, dollskill.com, only there, and that's it.
Yeah, it's just money. I'll just flip it upside down so I can put it on that side. The boy's tired.
I don't know. This is what, hour fucking 13?
I don't know, you tell me.
10 o'clock this morning.
The boss wakes up an hour early.
Time is it now? It's 1 probably. So how many hours is that? 15 hours. Fuck. Just packing up the boxes right now. We are trying to fit these love crops in these tiny box, but I don't know what's happening. It might work, might not work.
It'll work.
This is hour 15, I think, of working today. So step your fucking game up, fuckers. Yeah, boxing, broken tee, going to dollskill. So that's where you're gonna be able to get this shirt. It's like 2:30 a.m. right now, just to give you guys a little reference. And yeah, that's what's going on. Finishing up. A couple more things to do. At A&T Won't Stop. Follow him on all the social media channels. Especially Twitter. He's the Twitter famous.
Nah, only for the wrestling fan.
Twitter famous if you like wrestling. Check out these printed inside tags. Check out this shirt right here. This is fire. Boxing it up. Yeah. It's been a long,
nice box.
it's been a long day. A long day of grinding. Grinding. That's what it's about. So if I don't make any sense right now, that's why.
This is what we call the perfect box.
The perfect high.
It's a little short, but
No, that's good. Alright, we're out of here. Clocking out. Peace out. Till tomorrow. Alright, guys, so we're back in the studio right now. We did like 15 hours of work yesterday, packing everything up, getting everything ready, hang tags, labels, whatever, you know, the whole deal. So now we're back, about to start packing the boxes up, and then, you know, set it up, and then we ship it out. And then, you know, as you see this video, they'll already be in dollskill. So this is a little past tense of what it took to get to the point it is right now. So we just finished packing up the order for Dollskill. We're about to ship them out. By the time you guys see this video, they'll already be on dollskill.com. Just search Whadafunk, and then you could grab one of these awesome pieces that we made. This is one of the shirts right here. This is the Who Cares shirt with the big print on the back. So we got this shirt, we got the Who Cares shirt, we got the broken tee right here, and it has this design right up big on the back, as you guys seen us filming the video. And then we also have the love tee right here, white tee, the red print. We also have something special for the ladies. We came out with the love flowy crop tee. This is a really nice material right here. So this is what we got going on. This is what's on dollskill.com. Search Whadafunk right now. Go grab your Whadafunk from Dollskill. Please like the video and subscribe. If you guys grab any Whadafunk from Dollskill, these are only Dollskill exclusive, so you can only get these there. So post on Instagram, tag us in the photo. We'll give you guys a shout out, and we'll help you guys get some followers as well. So thank you guys. I appreciate all the support. As always, Whadafunk. Peace and love.